Please.
You say the machine looks out for you? Then why are you in this cell? Why has it let this happen? This friend that you love so much, it's abandoned you. We have your friends surrounded. So if you try anything, I will have them all killed. And then, I will take the ear you have left, and then your eyes, and then your tongue. Do you understand?
You're too late. The machine's already talking. You're too old. Older than 40. You can't hear sound above 15 kilohertz. But I can. With the air I've got left. My friend's been beeping Morse code at that frequency since she brought your phone in here. She's been talking to me the whole time, telling me about you. You're scared of me. Even with all these guards watching. By the way, that one was a bum knee. You're so scared of me that you had a knife in your pocket. I couldn't reach it until you got close enough to cut me. You still have a scalpel. I'd call that a fair fight.